Hello guys, welcome to our channel Infotainment Bangalore. We are back with yet another certificate this time. It's basically a pledge certificate provided by Central Vigilance Commission, Government of India. So let's get started. Open your browser, type the following URL: pledge.cvc.nic.in. You will be redirected to Central Vigilance Commission web page. You have to choose Integrity Pledge as a citizen. It will redirect you to your basic details page. Make sure you fill out everything what's needed. You will require an identity proof. So select any identity proof. It doesn't matter, but proof is must. I'm choosing my PAN card here. Enter your email account, as you will receive your certificate to the email you enter here, so be careful while entering this. And your mobile number plays a very vital role here. You will receive an OTP in the next step. Only if you enter the OTP you will get the certificate, so fill a number which is valid. And then click on proceed for language section. You can choose any language here in which you can read the pledge and obtain the certificate. So let's go with English and click on read pledge. So here the pledge will be displayed. You can read the pledge. I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economy, political and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders such as government, citizens and private sector need to work together to eradicate this corruption. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit to highest standards of honesty, integrity at all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to be accountable for my actions, to act in public interest, to lead by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior, to report any incident of corruption to appropriate agency. After you read the pledge, you can click I pledge, and then you will be asked how did you know about this pledge. So you can type your source or you can opt your source. I got to know about this pledge by social media, so I'm going with social media. When you click submit, you will receive your OTP. So please type the OTP received in your mobile number. It will be active only for 15 minutes, so make sure you enter the OTP within the stipulated time. So my OTP 635477. When you click submit, your certificate will be displayed on the screen. You can either send this to your mobile or download certificate to your PC or laptop, anything. So I'll click download the certificate and save. Yes, see, here we go. The certificate is ready. So guys, we will be back with such content soon. If you like this video and if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much.